Hey guys, what's going on? So today's another tool series video where I like to go over, review, and show off some tool kits I've bought over the years and kind of talk about my experience with them and how they've done. So here we have, this is the Steelman Pro 78537 Locking Lug Master Key Set, and this thing is awesome. So this is not cheap by any means. They range from $60 to $200 and plus dollars, honestly. This is entry level at about $80 to $100 depending on when you buy it. I bought it almost 3 years ago, and it was like $90, I want to say, $89.99. And it's worth every penny of it when you need it. So this is it. It is literally the key set for tons of different wheels, aftermarket wheels, stock wheels. So like 12SS 11/16 12 spline small diameter socket, 11/16 inner diameter. 12SS 13/16 12 spline small diameter socket, 13/16 inner diameter. Got a 6PL15 high-tech hex lug, 15 millimeter outer dimension. So you got 10 point stars, hex, fluted hex, diameter socket, 6 spline, 8 spline, 9.8 point, 7 spline, 12 spline. You have a lot. So you have, I've had several of these. So that was the Moto Metals. That was the Dixie Peck DC2s. I know I've seen these on some aftermarket foreign vehicles that I've worked on. Yeah, there's a lot of crazy lug keys in here, and it's great to have because I've gone to the junkyard and found wheels and tires with locking keys on them, and they just leave them on there. And these are nice wheels and tires. Talking like, actually, as a matter of fact, there was a set of Dixie Peck DC1s, not DC2s, the all chrome, 35-inch Pro Comp tires on a F-150, and it had locking lugs on it, and I did not have my kit with me, and I was mad. And I went back, and they were gone. And you could tell where somebody had been trying to get them off, so he probably went and got the key. But yeah, guys, this kit is awesome. I'll leave a link in the description below. I got this one off Amazon. It's the Steelman Pro, like I was saying. Part number 78537. If this video helps you out and this kit has helped you out, or you know of a kit that's even better for cheaper, go ahead and leave that comment below and hit that like button for more. And subscribe to stay up to date with the latest and greatest tool videos and review videos and car audio videos and anything else I feel like posting.